Hi guys! We're going to unbox my first, ang pangit ko, okay lang yan. My first ever brand new MacBook. Ah. So today, I'm so happy. We went to MOA and then bumili po tayo ng Mac, which later titingnan natin. Tingnan na natin. Hindi pala later, ngayon pala. So, yan. Makaganto siya. Tapos ito yung bag niya. And this is the box. But inside, meron pa siyang another box. Okay, so before natin, ito, meron. This is 15-inch MacBook Air, Apple, M4 chip with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. 24 gig, I think that's the RAM, something, and then 512 gig SSD. This is color midnight. It's 119,920. Okay. Sana natin. But, disclaimer, earlier, na-unbox ko na siya dun sa mall to check. Siyempre kung working properly and everything. Pero ngayon, unbox na lang natin ulit. Tadaan! I'm so happy. Okay, exit po natin ito. Baba natin konti. Ayan. Ay, kulang pa. Ayan. Ayan. Buksan na natin. Ta-da! And meron siyang plastic here. Ta-da! So ta-da! Okay, bumabakat po yung kamay natin. So, kanina binuksan ko na siya, na-set up ko na, like nalagyan ko na ng password. I'll show you after this video yung raw unboxing. But for now, tingnan natin. So excited. Paikutin po natin siya. With my bakat-bakat na finger. And so yan. With the box, meron po siyang this one, and this is perfect. Like, feeling ko super heavy duty niya. The charger cord, and then ano ba to? Basta yung ganito niya. Binabasa-basa. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag. Manual. Yan. And then, the best thing here for me, mayroon naman akong old MacBook, but hindi siya brand new. Galing siyang ibang bansa. Ang laki ng charger niya. But for this one, sobrang liit ng charger na. Tapos natutupi pa siya. Tapos meron siyang dalawang ganyan lagayan. And, tada! Yun lang naman so far. So, here are the specs. And that's it. I'm so happy. So, yun lang. Bye!